Over here, it's so-so, actually. Take a look at this. Well, again, on this slab of stones that are here, there is, let me get on this side here, it's easier to see. There's some debris here. But you can also see, like, here's a piece of paper, okay, a cigarette butt right there. Here's another cigarette butt right there. Here's another one right by where I was just mentioned a few moments ago. There's a few more cigarette butts sitting around. Now let me quickly explain. When I was in Block 44, every couple days or so, they would, let me actually go this way. Every couple days or so, they do a really good cleaning all through the tile here in the walkway, as well as down on that gray stone. I know it's darker here now, but on the gray stone, as well as the tile in the walkway and down below as well in that walkway. Excuse me. That was kind of a, oh my God. I don't know why, but that's pooping out just talking about it and walking. And plus it's really humid, so it's kind of, whew. Wow, I'm pooping myself out just doing that quickly. Anyway, so as I was saying, that area was swept really good on Block 44. I'm on Block 42. They do a piss poor job over here, I'm sorry to say. But comparatively, they've done a piss poor job on this side comparatively. If I go to Block 44, it's probably really clean. I don't know. I haven't been over there for a couple days. I looked a couple days ago. It didn't really look that good, but again, when I was there last year, it was cleaner than a whistle every couple days. They do a really good clean from the gray stone back to the doorways, all that area, the sidewalk coming down, or steps coming down, everything. Two ladies, full cleaning every couple days. They do a really good job. This year, here, piss poor comparatively. Just wanted to mention that because I didn't want to give you an update. I gave you a few more things that I noticed that was not done, or that was done, or how well they did it. So I just wanted to mention that. I know this is probably around a 6-minute video now, maybe longer, who knows now, but I wanted to give you that update. And I did. And in fact, I gave you more of an update of extra things that they did or they didn't do. So this is my last update about that for now. I will maybe do another update in a couple days, but I'll probably leave it at that. But yes, poor job on this side, with the exception of a couple things that they got rid of and give me new towels. So other than that, I will leave it at that for now. Thank you for listening. I did want to give an update on that. Thank God I did, because it's bad. The service here is fair, but they don't do a very good job even with fair, so unfortunately. So I will leave it at that, and yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for listening, and we will see you in the next video. Ciao for now.